Okay.
Okay.
The one thing I forgot to mention, it was your birthday last weekend.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Big 44.
I know.
44 years old. Oh my Lord, she's 44.
Getting old. A little bit every year.
Yeah.
Yeah. What can you do about it though?
Yeah.
I feel good.
Good.
So,
you're winning the battle then.
yeah. Your birthday's coming up.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Next weekend.
Pretty soon you'll be older than me.
Catching up every year, eh? And for those of you wondering, I'll be 24. Yeah, I'm gonna be 43.
Yep.
Couple old buzzards here.
Mm-hmm. Got myself a young one. Young buck.
Young and spry.
Yeah.
If spry means
Crippled.
sore back,
Yeah. Sore stomach.
sore stomach, sore teeth right now too.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Knees and ankles.
I don't know what I did to my tooth. I was chewing on some ultra soft meat. Some prime rib roast, and I don't know what I did, but oh man, I had to call in sick the next day and go to the dentist and.
Oh, it looks like, yeah, right by the silver one here. No?
Yeah, I'm gonna back in.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
are you ready?
I am.
Let's go check out what they got.
Okay. Can't even wear a necklace anymore.
I know, it rattles against the microphone.
Get in trouble.
Well, we can clip the microphone onto the necklace. Like a lanyard.
No.
Be a strange pendant on that microphone. Or on that necklace.
Yeah. Good morning.
Morning.
Okay, where do you want to start?
Wherever you like.
Okay.
Start walking.
Okie doke.
Oh, look who it is.
Hi, guys.
Good morning.
You guys are the famous.
Did you see us on TV or something?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can I have your autograph?
Oh, do you want to give me the light? I just
Here.
seen the green, just
Made you think of
yeah,
it?
it made me think of it.
Yeah.
Finding any good treasures today?
Well, we just got here. Yeah.
Yeah, and this is our first one,
Yeah.
so we haven't found anything yet.
That's interesting, eh?
I don't know if that was Avon.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, neat.
Yeah, very neat.
See, I'm just going to have a look at that.
Sure.
Oh, we stuck the thing right over there. No, it just said, oh, it is. Avon keepsake.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Have a good day.
Yeah, you do.
Hello. I just spotted a Johanna in the wild.
Yeah.
That's a dolphin lighter.
Or lighter holder. There's something wrong with you.
We don't have time to get into everything that's wrong with me right now.
Yeah, you're right. We don't.
Oh.
Cute. Oh, my mom and dad had a phone just like this, except theirs was black.
It probably weighs like 40 pounds too, hey?
Well, and they have like the little nook built in.
Oh yeah, yeah.
In their house for the phone. Holy, that's a massive Galileo thermometer.
A Galileo thermometer. Oh, it's got little gauges on the side too.
Yeah.
Kind of neat. Hey?
Oh, I bet this smells good. Orange blossom.
Oh. Well, it does kind of smell good.
Should we get that? There's lotion too, it looks like.
I'm not opposed to it.
You'd like it.
I like citrusy smelling things.
Lotion. And hand
And what
wash.
is that?
Hand wash.
Soap?
Yeah. I think
Sure.
We'll get those, eh?
Yeah. Smells good. Here's another one of those stamp holders.
Oh yeah, right. I got rid of the one that I had. It's neat though. Is this all her stuff? I don't know who I paid.
I would just ask this lady right here.
Do these belong to you?
Yeah. They come from here. But
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Look at the funny looking eggs they sell in.
Yeah,
They're hard to crack those ones open.
they're hard boiled.
Oh, is that it?
Oh my goodness. Lots of records here.
Yeah. 78s. Oh, Time Life records.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That pillow is lovely.
Yeah. Look at the color on it.
Better hope that doesn't bounce anywhere near my feet. Yeah.
I was thinking the same thing.
It's a change purse.
Kitty cat change purse.
It's rubber. Feels weird.
This old picture.
Oh yeah, it's the painted glass frame. And then this. Lots of the details going on. It's pretty though.
It's neat. It says Sefton Park, Liverpool,
Oh,
England.
yeah.
Interesting. Oh, I think we lost a nail there.
Probably from the back.
Yeah.
Those might be real.
If you like them.
Because they're not, see how they're not even?
Yeah, I agree.
I know that will help you.
For $1. I think I'll give it a whirl.
Okay.
Put them on your feet and your teeth.
Rub them together.
Yeah, they feel so smooth though, I think. I don't know, what do you think?
I can't tell. You gonna rub it on your tooth?
No.
Oh, I think they're real.
Do you?
I do.
Okay. Look at them.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'll just stick them in my pocket if that's okay. Yeah. This is CORO.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Oh, for $2.
Do you think so?
Well, if it's CORO, I think it's worth more than $2.
Yeah.
I don't know. You can take it out of there and look at it. I don't know anything about it either.
It's pretty.
Yeah. It is costume jewelry, but...
Yeah. You think I should?
I think so.
Okay. I'll put the earrings in there. Yeah, exactly. Thank you.
I am not a pack rat. I am a collector.
Yeah.
My daughter. This is a good time to wear it.
It is the perfect time to wear it.
All right.
Schtroumpfs.
La mouche buzz.
Schtroumpfs.
De les schtroumpfs. Our American friends would be completely confused until I tell them that's French.
Morning.
Hello.
He needs a Christmas tree.
You wouldn't believe it.
Might be a tough
You
sell.
wouldn't believe it. We've got 5.
Yes, so we had 8.
And she
Did you?
she sets them up every year, all 5 of them.
So I set up 8, 'cause we put 2 outside
Oh.
too, right?
Yeah.
And we have
man.
a family room and a basement and a living room.
Yeah.
So I've got them like
Nice.
everywhere.
Met somebody with more Christmas trees than you. I can't believe
See,
it.
the ones we have are all different sizes, so I have like a forest.
Awesome.
So they're all kind of together. Yeah.
I love that.
And some of them are just, this big, and you can get them all.
Now
But
you can tell other people that we do this.
yeah, they're. Well, I know people are like, what? But how it started is I have so many vintage Christmas decorations. So instead of not buying more of those, I just bought more trees.
More trees.
Well, then there's Easter, and then there's. It's not you. There's just too many holidays.
What a month.
Well, and we're like
Yeah.
Irish too, so then we have St. Patty's Day.
Oh, St. Patty's Day is going to be big in your family then.
Yeah.
So it's
Yeah, that's a national holiday if you're Irish.
totally is.
Totally. A few boxes. And then, the Christmas stuff, it's like, you can't just cram it in.
Oh, like these are my sisters, but she's like, I love them, but they're so breakable. And she's like,
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I like the color of them.
They're
that
very
cobalt
pretty,
blue
yeah.
color.
Such a good price.
Seriously.
like, I'm not taking them home. That's what she said. She's like, just get rid of them.
Yeah.
Taking them back.
Why didn't she say that when she saw them for $30 when she originally bought them? Some mini lights.
White ones?
Oh yeah, you like those?
Yeah. How much are these?
We're not taking anything back. Like it's like just we
Gotta get rid of it,
this
eh?
is what's kind of left.
Yikes. Oh my.
Creepy, take it.
Oh. No, you can't have that.
So creepy. It's the greatest thing ever, but you can't do it anymore.
No?
Like 5 years.
Somebody will really like it. Like,
I'm trying to get the camera to see it.
Oh my God. Do you think Ben would want those? Those are
Little beer glass.
awesome.
There's not enough of them.
Oh, they're battery operated
Yeah,
too.
there's not enough.
Oh my God,
But
those
that
are
is hilarious, isn't it?
awesome. Yeah,
Little beer glass patio lights. Yeah.
that's perfect if you have like beer pong table.
Oh yeah. For a basement?
Yeah.
A man cave around the beer pong table? That'd be great.
Yeah,
I bought them for Craven. And then as we were sitting out there, I had some Christmas lights and we had the big red Solo. We were bored, so we made the big version.
You made,
Yeah.
perfect.
So then I was like, I don't really have anything to do with these.
yeah. They're cute though.
Yeah, no, we
Ah, look at that. All full of crayons.
Whoa.
Sweet. Wonder if they still taste the same as they did when I was a kid.
Probably. There you go.
A Batman bubble bath. Sweet. Clean as the Dark Knight.
Yep.
I wonder if Batman uses Batman bubble bath.
I think he has to.
He might use Superman bubble bath. I mean, I heard he's a fan.
Oh yeah.
Well, that wasn't until they fought in that, movie.
Right. I think we're done, right?
Okay.
Okay. See ya.
See you later, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one.
Hey, we didn't do too bad.
No. Got a couple cool things.
Yeah.
Add to the Christmas hoard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we need more lights for the trees.
Or do we need more trees for the lights? We should just get a whole bunch more of everything, just to be safe.
Sounds good to me.
Okay. Well, did pretty good.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. She used to work for Sastel,
Oh, did she?
proofreading the phone book.
Oh, yes. I think you told me that.
Horrible job.
Good God.
One person have to read it, and the other person have to follow along, make sure
that
it's right.
it's...
Yeah, and then mark any changes or whatever. Yeah, all manual because it was
Terrible.
I'm sure no computers back
No,
then.
no.
Yep. Good times.
No kidding.